Hey, how are you? I've got 10 things that you really have to stop doing on camera, and you don't even know you're doing half of these. First up is bad framing. All right, how do you fit into the actual image that you're watching? Are you too close to the screen? A lot of people do this because for what I used to be conscious of being a little bit too big on camera. So I put my head closer to the screen so that would hide everything else. If you're vlogging, people don't hold the camera back far enough so your head kind of takes up the screen and people can't see what's going on. Just put your head back. Okay, leave people take you for exactly who you are. Now, to improve your framing 100 times, all you got to do is take a look at your camera screen, whether that's on your phone or your DSLR, your mirrorless camera, or your Osmo Pocket or GoPro, whatever. They all have a grid option. Basically, it's a bunch of lines on the screen. Put yourself where those lines intersect, maybe here, here, over here. Don't look that uncomfortable. And that's it. It's just instantly better framing. Bad framing is an absolute killer. Now, something else that's a killer. Let me move the camera over here. Oh, hang on, let's move it here. Stop moving the camera around. This is another one, leave the shots breathe. Now, if you're doing talking head stuff and your camera's all over the place, I'm sure some of you have clicked off by now and you're like, crazy man with a beard moving a camera. It's just really annoying. Leave the shots breathe. If you're out and about, if you're vlogging, then leave the shot breathe. The best rule of thumb I can give you is something that's really useful. Is just like if you're trying to do an establishing scene or, hey, I'm at CES today. No, I'm not. Just hold the camera. Count to 10 in your head. All right? If you're shooting in 4K 60, count to maybe 5 or 6 because you can slow it down. But just count to 10. Just hold it there. Don't go panning it. Just hold it. Just hold the camera. Stop moving the thing around. Okay. The next one is a biggie, and this is dust. This goes for your lens, but also if you're shooting product videos, just dust the thing down, please. It's a pet peeve of mine. It mightn't be a big deal, but if you're presenting a product, then you want it to look its best. You don't want your greasy, chicken greased up fingers all over it, right? I've got a lamp back here. Let me break the last rule and move the camera. I'm just gonna bring it up here. The lamp is kind of dusty. This, outside of this shot, let me break my rule and move the camera back again. Ha. Although that wasn't like all over the place. I didn't break completely. Just wipe the thing down, right? That will never be in a shot, but if there's something in a shot, just wipe it down. Yes, we all leave things go, and I could probably polish there over a little bit, but it's never kind of in shot close enough for you to eagle eye it and go, ooh, it's dusty. And the other thing is, just get a little lens cloth and just clean your lens beforehand, because the smudges will look awful and amateur, plus it'll screw up the autofocus if you rely on that. The other thing that you shouldn't rely on really is long pauses. Long pauses get incredibly boring for you to be sitting there in a long pause. And you can imagine the audience who, let's be honest, right? The audience, I gotta put this back. The audience that are watching your videos are consuming hyperly edited, fast-paced cat videos and all kinds of other crap. They're not going to sit there for someone they may not know that well, just for them to go, I get it, right? If there's a point of emotion or dramatics, then a pause is good. But you can pause in between different words. Not just go, I'll take a break there. And this leads into another point that I'm going to get to in the video that you really, of all of the tips here, if you listen to one and take it on board, this will be it. But I'll get to that in a sec. I genuinely don't know why people do this. Is it because they're lazy? Is it because they don't care? I don't know, but people will always apologize in videos. Oh, I'm sorry for the bad lighting. Oh, I'm sorry for the bad audio. Oh, I'm sorry for the color grade. Oh, I'm sorry for the shutter speed. Oh, I'm sorry that the camera didn't focus. If you know you have bad lighting, fix the bad lighting. If you know the autofocus is bad and not reliable, just do manual focus. Do something. The point is, stop making excuses for screw-ups in the video. Just stop doing it, okay? This is you on camera, and if something is wrong around you, then that's on you. I know that's a bitter pill to swallow, right? But it happens to everybody, me included. But just go chill and just go, okay. Yep, I'm not apologizing. Now, I was alluding to this one earlier on. This is a huge one of all the tips here. Please take this one on board. If you decide to watch something on Netflix, or you go to the movies, or you watch a video on YouTube, here's the thing. The person who is watching this or has made the decision to click or pay their money for the movie, they have put their trust into the filmmaker, the movie maker, the TV show maker, the YouTube video maker, the TikToker, whatever. They've said, okay, I am giving you my time. They do not care less about your day. They came for the thumbnail. They came for whatever the title of the video was, or the movie poster that lured them into the cinema or the movie theater. That's it. Respect their time. Just respect their time. There is absolutely no argument. I don't care who you are. Nobody cares that you needed to go to the store to buy milk. Nobody cares. Now, if you go to the store and you stop an abduction and kill a load of bad guys or beat them up or, I don't know, gain a superpower, then it's an interesting story. Everybody else is like, I don't give a... Actually, they don't even get to the part of saying, I don't give up. They're just gone somewhere else. So just respect your audience's time. And with that, next tip, bad audio. I don't care what you say. You can shoot the video through your other thing and it's going to look bad. But people will tolerate bad video a lot longer than they will tolerate bad audio. Look, buy a mic. I'll leave a link in the description to some mics if you just want to try even a cheap one. It will always be better than the piece of trash that's on your camera. Now, I know some mobile shooters will say the mics on the iPhone 16 Pro are phenomenal. Good, that's fine if mics are getting to that level. I don't have the 16 Pro because I just said, Apple, Tim, hey, it's not enough for me. But just have a mic. Whether it's stuck onto you like this, whether you hold a mic, whatever. Just have something where people can hear you, because if they can't and the audio is all over the place, you are literally going to start scalping parts of their brain off. It's going to be that annoying. And if it's that annoying, then yeah. Oh, long pause, right? Next tip. Not looking directly into the lens, okay? A lot of us will have like a screen over here, like the lens is here, but the screen is way over here, which is what I'm looking at. Look into the lens. Okay, this is who I'm talking to. I'm talking to you. Now, some of you might have a screen up top and then you're looking up there. You might have it down there. You might have... If you have to look at yourself on the screen, on the phone, on the camera, do it before you do your thing. Whatever your thing might be. Vic's working on the THs. Whatever that might be. Just literally do it beforehand, please. Because if somebody is like looking over there, I'm watching the video going, they're kind of fed up of me. They're tired of me. They're bored of me. They're not talking to me. And they came for you. And if they don't get you, then yeah, you know. All right. And then here's another one. And this one can be a tough one to fix. Distracting backgrounds. Okay. Like this room right now, this studio space has still not recovered from the holidays. There is crap everywhere. You can see in the background, you can see there's like a monster can. I need to tidy the place up. There's like, that's very unattractive. You've okay, it's left, right? That's acting, that's a fill light, but it's acting, or sorry, that's a key light, but it's acting as a kind of a fill and a rim light at the moment because it's behind me. There's a box and stuff there. The blind isn't, it's just, keep that in mind, because if there's a lot of chaos on the screen that's not enjoyable chaos, then people are just going, it's hard to focus on the main point of the video, and that's you. And even in my peripheral vision, I know there's chaos going on around me here. I just gotta move the camera. Look, I mean, look at this. All it takes is a little prep to get, if you're shooting in a home studio, just a little bit of calmness, okay? That's all. That's all it takes. A little bit of calmness, and then you can get and do your thing. 5 minutes. Why didn't I spend 5 minutes doing the crap over there? Because I spent 5 minutes getting it from here, pushing it there. The other thing that you could spend 5 minutes on, maybe a little more than 5 minutes, is this video here that's going to teach you one of the biggest things that you absolutely need to stop doing on video, and that's crutch words. I'll see you on the next vid.